Hi Barry, this is Kramer with Ameravant Web Design in Santa Barbara, California. Linda asked me to give you a presentation of a demo site of what could be the next Saigon Interiors website. She explained the issues with the current site, and rather than try to fix the current site, I think this might be a more cost-effective solution and give you better results. So what we did is we put together a mock-up site. It's not the final site. It's not, everything isn't perfect or correct, and it's just a mock-up. The site is based on a content management system called Site Ninja. You can read more about it at site-ninja.com. I applied some of the branding to the site that looks like your colors, the charcoal background, the red navigation. What you're looking at here is a full site search. So if someone's looking for a product on the site, all they have to do is type in the product code and they will find that product page on the site and go directly there. If you want people to receive product announcements and just collect information about them, you can have them subscribe here. The system also comes with a blog so that you can write articles and attract traffic from the search engines. Also comes with a testimonial system, so as you get testimonials about your service levels and what you're offering, you can post those here and they'll randomly be displayed in the side column. What you're looking at here in the middle of the screen, this is called a featured content slideshow. So each one of these images represent different pages in the site, different products. And in the full version of this site, when you click on this image, it will take you to that product page. The demo version doesn't do that. Also, here's a representation of the newsletter that Linda gave me this morning. When you click on the icon, you'll see that it fills the browser window with a representation of that newsletter. And if you click on the link below, you can open up that newsletter in a separate tab. And here's the full newsletter. You probably recognize this. You can also put newsletters right inside the blog listing. In fact, what we did is we created a menu that's called newsletters, and simply what it is a category in the blog. And so every time you release a newsletter, you just post it in the blog and people can find all your history of newsletters here. One of the things that Linda said was important was the ease and management of products. So we put just a few products in here just to give you an idea of how the system works. You can have main menus, you can have submenus, you can feature product images in any of these categories. And so I'm just going to go to the Slim Bench collection. Now this is the product page. It's not formatted, you're just seeing information run down the side of the page, and I am aware that you do not offer pricing. This is just a catalog. So in the final version we would have to remove that and then format the page a little nicer. We would probably bring the images onto the right side, bring the descriptions up, and make the page a little tighter. One of the features of the product system is when you click on an image, you're going to get the full size view of that image within the browser window. It acts as a slideshow. You can go next, and see other images. Now, I loaded these up. This says Slim Bench 2, Slim Bench 3. You could have different views of this product and have them all part of the slideshow. So you'd want to make those pictures big enough so that when you click on them or view them, they fill the whole screen. You also have an area where you can post private content. This is a separate module. And if someone tries to access that private content, they're going to receive a login screen. So I'm just going to put in my password, which is more of an administrative password. And once I do that, it's going to redirect me, if I'm just a private content provider, redirect me back to the private content area. So you can put anything back there. You can put files, you can put articles, you can put advertisements, and anything that you need to have behind a private area. Now that we're logged in, what you see is a little dashboard at the very top of the page. Kind of looks like the same color as the background on your site, but it is the administrative dashboard. And so the most common place that you or Linda will will do work is in this area called Pages. And so this is a list of all the pages in the site right now. You can see these are all the menus. Most things in this system are drag and drop. So for example, if we wanted newsletters to be the second main menu, I just drag it up, drop it off. When I click on your logo, it takes me back to the public site. Now I see newsletters is the second menu. I'm going to go into the products area. Adding products is pretty simple. First, we create product categories, and you can have unlimited product categories, and you can also have subcategories and subcategories. Then you attach your products to those categories. I'm just going to go into Slim Bench so you can see what that looks like. You get the title. If there are sizes, I think you guys are not doing pricing, so you wouldn't have anything in these fields. You can feature products in different areas of the site. You won't be using the buttons. Then you assign that product to one of the categories that you've created. You also have a full HTML window to describe that product. You can put videos in here. You can put pictures. You can put text. Whatever you need to put in there, you can put in there. If we were to put a video in there, I'm just going to go to YouTube, and I'm going to select any video. Let's say that this is the video that you would like to put in that page. All you do is copy the web address of that video. And let me go back to, I'm just going to put this on the home page so you can see what this looks like. Go to a page, paste that on the home page, and it will save this page. When we return to the public website, you'll see that that link has rendered itself as a video right inside the site. So it's very easy to create videos these days. You just post them on YouTube, copy and paste the web address, and instantly the player renders itself in the website. So it looks like it's still trying to access the YouTube connection. Let me just turn that off for now. And that's a brief overview of the site. You can also, one final thing, in the people management system that comes with the site, you can put all your vendors in here if you want, or any sort of group. You can create new groups on the fly. So let's say that you had a group called vendors. I'm going to make that a public group. You can make groups public or private. Then, whenever someone goes to the Contact Us page of your site and they want to submit requests for designs or sales or support or pricing, they can fill out this information. You'll get an email with all of this, and they can also select what group they fall into. So once they fill out that form, they automatically show up in this list of people. All right, and you can see that Roz is in the newsletter group, so am I. When you want to send out emails to this group of people, you come in and create a newsletter. This is a sample newsletter that I just created a few minutes ago. I'm going to send this newsletter out, and here's what it is, blah, blah, blah. There's nothing really much there. In the footer of that outgoing email, people will be able to unsubscribe themselves, and then you can select what group you want to send this email out to. You can send up to 10,000 emails for free per month. If you were doing that with Constant Contact, it would cost about $150 per month. So that's a little overview of the site, of newsletters, people, articles, and products. If you have any questions, feel free to call me. My phone number locally is area code 805-456-6011. You can also visit our website where the content management system is. You'll find contact information there. And we also, our main website is www.ameravant.com.